Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are wonderful, amazing in your life, wherever you are. This is your soulmate love reading for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign, and I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out because it is not going to resonate with each of you, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius. So let's start your reading. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you like my video, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel and for commenting beautiful messages to me. I really appreciate that. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius soulmate. This is the reading for soulmate. Okay, let's see what are the messages for soulmate. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck and then I'm going to clarify these cards. Okay, going to take 5 cards. That means I'm going to take 5 energies from this deck. Okay, and let's see what are the messages. Peace. First card for you is peace, Aquarius. The peace is coming for you. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Unfinished symphony. Okay. Happy. Happy. Very good. Okay. Let's see. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. Okay. Never ending story. One more card. Okay. Flexible. The same cards are there for you today too. Okay. So let's start your clarification, Aquarius. Let me adjust my camera a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so you have 5 cards here. One first card for you is peace. Peace is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, but there is some kind of unfinished symphony which is there. But the peace is coming here and you are very happy. There is something for which you are very happy. I'm going to clarify these cards. After that I'm going to tell, but there is something which you think that it's never going to end. It's a never ending story, but you are forgetting that you have wings here so that you can fly, Aquarius. Okay, then there is something in which you can be flexible. You have to be more flexible. You have to do some kind of adjustment possibilities. Okay, so let's start your reading, Aquarius. Let's see. Okay, today I'm going to clarify these cards from the tarot deck. Okay, so let's start your clarification. What is peace? Please clarify me. What is peace? Okay, what is the meaning of peace? Please clarify me. What is peace coming in Aquarius soulmate reading? Okay, Ace of Swords. You're getting some kind of clarity, Aquarius. That's why you are getting peace. Okay, you are not in a energy of confusion or feeling stuck. No, you're getting your clarity. That's why you are feeling peace. Okay, why there is peace? Clarify peace. Yeah, right, this is you. Queen of Swords. Ace of Swords and Queen of Swords. This is you. You know the truth and you're getting your clarity. That's why you're feeling peace, Aquarius. The peace is coming towards you after knowing the truth. Okay. And after getting your clarity, you are feeling peace. Okay. What is unfinished symphony? Please clarify me. What is unfinished symphony for Aquarius? Clarify me unfinished symphony. The Strength card, the Sun, and Four of Wands. This is very beautiful, Aquarius. I don't. In unfinished symphony is basically an incomplete lesson, a lessons in which you uh, there is an incomplete lesson that you have not learned. Okay, but here it is, I'm having Strength, the Sun, and Four of Wands. So you keeping your strength with you hoping for new beginnings, and there is new beginnings here because there is Sun and there is Four of Wands too, the soulmate one. What is unfinished symphony? Clarify me unfinished symphony. Clarify me unfinished symphony. You're taking the leap of faith and you're moving in a forward direction, but there is some lesson which is incomplete. You are getting your new beginnings, you're keeping your strength. That's very good, Aquarius. But there is an incomplete lesson, there is unfinished symphony. Okay, there is a lesson here which you need to learn. Let me read it out from the book. Moving on is difficult when love lingers. Things are left unsaid, and you have not had the opportunity for closure in your relationship and in your heart. You can still feel bound up in the relationship when closure is denied you. It is important to achieve this for yourself. Write the letter, make the call, or have that conversation over the cup of coffee for peace of mind. Accept matters as they are, make amends if it needs to be, and declare your feelings as if only to yourself. Be clear about what was left unresolved and close the door to the past so you can set yourself free. Only then new love blossoms. But from the cards, I'm seeing that you are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Whatever you, if it is not unfinished symphony, is all about incomplete lesson, or you did not get properly close a chapter in your life, but you are starting a new chapter in your life and you're moving in a forward direction. You are keeping your strength, you're taking the leap of faith into something. Okay, you, the Sun is there, and you are moving in a forward direction. That's very good. That's very good, Aquarius. Let's see. Why are you so happy, happy? Why this is very happy, happy? Clarify happy, happy. Help me out to clarify happy, happy. Clarify happy, happy. Help me out to clarify happy, happy. Wow, wow, wow. That's why you are happy, Aquarius. Okay. You are using your intuitions, Aquarius. High Priestess, Eight of Wands, Death, and Eight of Swords. Okay, so this situation is getting end. You were feeling stuck, restricted in the past, but now that situation is getting end because the communication is coming towards you and you are using your intuitions. Okay, so that's this energy, you getting out of this energy of being stuck, feeling restricted, unable to move in a forward direction. You are getting over about this energy. Okay, you're getting over on this energy, you're getting end, you're putting an end to this situation, this energy, and you're getting out of this energy of feeling stuck, restricted in a situation or in a relationship. And by getting lots of communication and by using your intuitions, you're getting out of this energy and you are manifesting your Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment, and you're getting success in achieving that. Okay, you are getting success, recognition, victory in receiving, in achieving, in creating, in manifesting your Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment. Okay, you are manifesting your wish fulfillment and you're getting it, Aquarius. What is your wish fulfillment, Aquarius? What is the wish fulfillment? What are what is Six of Wands? What is Six of Wands? What is the wish fulfillment for Aquarius? Help me out to clarify. What is Six of Wands? Okay, I'm not going to take these cards, but I can tell you like that. Lovers, Hierophant, and Two of Cups. That's why you are very happy. 1111 was the recording reading time. You're very happy because you're getting your love of your life, the Two of Cups, and your commitment, the marriage in with your twin flame, your soulmate. What is never ending story? Clarify me, never ending story. Clarify me, what is the never ending story? What is never ending story for Aquarius? Why there is never ending story? Why there is never ending story? Why there is never ending story? Please clarify me, never ending story. Why there is never ending story? 1 minute. Why there is never ending story? There is someone around you, Aquarius, who is toxic for you. Because of that person, you were unable to sleep at night. You were not able to sleep at night. You were spending sleepless nights, and this was the King of Pentacle, okay? And you were carrying lots of burden. This person was not good at all. This was devil. But don't worry, Aquarius. Why I'm saying that I will tell you later on, but let's see. Nine of Swords, King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and the Devil. This was the energy for you in the past, okay? You were unable to sleep at nights. You were spending sleepless nights because of there was someone who was maybe elder than you, but this was the someone who was financially stable, grounded. Maybe they know how to manage finances. Okay, for them the money is the most priority thing. And you were carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. Ten of Wands is there, but they were not good for you. They were toxic for you. Okay, the devil is there. But Aquarius, you're coming towards a calmer waters, and this person was someone who was from your past. Okay, Six of Cups is there, so this devil was someone who was from your past. Okay, you both know each other, but don't worry, Aquarius, because you are coming towards the calmer waters. That's why I told you that there are wings at your back. You can fly, you can fly again. It's not like that you have to keep repeating that cycle, keep in that energy of it's not going to end. It can be end. And why I'm saying that, because here it is, Six of Swords and Two of Cups. You're coming towards the calmer waters, and there is someone who wants to offer you Two of Cups, and Two of Cups is all about soulmate, life partner, soulmate, in which both of you are offering each other the cup. Okay, so don't be in this energy of that it's a never ending story, what to do. Okay, let me clarify flexible. Why there is flexible? Clarify me flexible. Aquarius, you are dealing with your divine counterpart and you need to be flexible. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay. So right now you need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay. The Tower. Okay. 1 minute, like that I can tell you. Right now you just have to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, Four of Swords, and then there is a Tower, then there is Page of Pentacle, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Five of Swords. So there were some conflicts around you, Aquarius. That's why you are saying no, you're protecting yourself, your guards are high, you're being very defensive. Okay, so there are some conflicts around you, through why, because of that conflicts you are protecting yourself. Okay, but there is something in which you are putting lots of efforts into it, but now you're receiving some kind of small offer from other person after getting some kind of tower movement. Okay, the Page of Pentacle is there, some kind of small offer, small message, or some small thing. Okay, but you were putting lots of efforts in that relationship. Okay, you are thinking that I'm putting lots of efforts in this relationship, but you need to be flexible, Aquarius. You need to be flexible. The why I'm saying that, because it is your divine counterpart, because you are be in this energy of 7 1717 was the recording reading time, Seven of Wands and Five of Swords. Maybe you're thinking that they were conflicts around you, that's why you are into this energy of being defensive, that you are protecting your aura, you do not want to indulge any kind of conflicts and all. But this is your divine counterpart. Okay, the King of Swords is here, so that's why. So that was a clarification. Let me clarify by this deck. What is peace? Clarify me peace. Clarify me peace. Please help me out to clarify peace. Partnership and alliances, firm foundation, obstacle and challenges, and destiny. Aquarius, this is your destiny. This is written in your destiny. Maybe there are some obstacles and challenges right now you have to face, but don't worry. You have a firm foundation, and there are partnerships and alliances which are waiting for you. And this is the number. The number sequence is there: 3, 4, 5, and 10. Okay, so this is the destiny. This is something which is written in your life, that you have to, this belongs to you basically. Okay, but there are some obstacles and challenges which you need to face. Okay, but the firm foundation is there, the strong foundation is there. There are some partnership and alliances which are going to happen for you, but that was written for you, Aquarius, in your destiny. That was written for you, for your destiny. That's why. Let me see why there is unfinished symphony. What is unfinished symphony? What is unfinished symphony? Clarify me unfinished symphony. Balance, right? You need to balance yourself, Aquarius. Balance yourself so that you can get out of this energy. Okay, you need to balance yourself. That's why there is unfinished symphony. You need to balance your shadow self and your main self. Okay, you have to balance your feminine energy and the masculine energy. Get balance, get your healing, do your healing. Okay, and get out of it. Okay, so let's see, why is happy card here? Why there is happy card here? Please clarify me, what is the meaning of happy? What is the meaning of happy? Again, the number synchronicity is there, 2 and 3. So movement, choices, decisions, and rejoice in celebration. Aquarius, there is positive forward movement in which you need to make choices and you need to take decisions. Okay, but there is a celebration here. Okay, wow. Okay, so you need to make choices, you need to make some kind of decisions. There is a movement, okay, but there is a celebration here too. And bottom of the deck, I'm having beautiful cards, Aquarius. I'm going to tell you why I'm telling you like this. There is prosperity begins, okay. Then there is material harvest. That's why you are very happy. Then there is trumpet success, Aquarius. Beautiful card for you. Okay, again, Ace of Swords energy. Trumpet success is there. Then there is light and hope. Beautiful cards for you. Okay, so you do not have to worry. And you are not worrying at all, Aquarius, because you are the happy. Okay, you're very happy. You're very happy, Aquarius. And here I am having the sun for you too. Okay, I will take out later on. Can you see the sun? The sun and the happy. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, very nice, Aquarius. Let me see why there is unfinished symphony. What is the meaning of unfinished symphony? Clarify me. See, right, same, that card has come for you. Okay, you need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Okay, you just need to keep your patience and you have to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, you, bottom of the deck, I was having trapped in fear. You just trapped in fear, that's it. Or that is the issue for you. You do not have to be trapped in fear. Okay, because the harmony card was there, bottom of the deck. Then I'm having love begins. So beautiful cards are waiting for you, beautiful messages, beautiful energies are waiting for you. You just have to get out of this energy of trapped in fear. Okay, just have patience, just rest and rejuvenate yourself. And here also I was having rest and rejuvenate. Okay, four of swords and four of swords. You need to rest and you need to rejuvenate yourself. That's it. Okay, what is flexible? What is flexible? Clarify me what is flexible means. No. What Aquarius need to be flexible? Trumpet success. Okay. Don't get, again this card has come, don't get trapped in fear, Aquarius. You're getting success. Okay, trumpet success is there, so you need to be more flexible. That's the message for you. Let's me see what is the advice for you. What is the advice for Aquarius? Soulmate reading from the divine, from the universe. Give me the advice for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world in soulmate love reading. Give me the advice. Again, 8 of Swords was there. Don't feel stuck. Don't feel restricted. Any other advice? Any other advice for Aquarius? Queen of Swords. Yeah, right. Okay, Eight of Swords, Queen of Swords, Eight of Swords, Queen of Swords. So you do not have to feel stuck, Aquarius. You do not feel be in this energy of feeling stuck or restricted. You know the truth, okay? This is Queen of Swords. You know the truth, what is right for you. You know it. So that's the advice for you, Aquarius, from the divine, that you know the truth. You do not have to be in this energy of Eight of Swords, okay? You just have to get out of this energy as soon as possible. Okay, get out of this energy as soon as possible. You know the truth. That's the message from the divine. Okay, thank you so much for giving this message. So let's see. So let's see what are the messages from Divine Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages. Be patient. That's the message for you today. Be patient, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the Divine Energy Oracle. What are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate reading? Help me out to deliver. Just go with the flow. That was the message for you. Okay, let's see. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? Help me out. Help me out. Help me out to give the messages. Burst out of your cocoon, Aquarius. Let me see all the messages first. What are the messages? Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? That's enough. So the first message for you, Aquarius, is burst out of your cocoon, okay? Burst out of your cocoon means get out of your comfort zone, Aquarius, and make a plan. Second message is make a plan. Get out of your comfort zone and you need to make a plan, okay? Then there is forgive and forget, okay? Then have faith on divine, on universe, and you need to forgive and forget. Okay, then there is embrace your powers, Aquarius. You are powerful personality, okay? So embrace your power. Then you have to be patient right now. Be patient. Grieve your losses and keep your commitments. Okay, keep your commitments, Aquarius, and accept disappointments gracefully. That are the messages for you. Keep your commitment, accept disappointments gracefully, and grieve your losses. Okay, then there is do something different, Aquarius. You need to do something different. Do something different and accept what is dying. There is something in your life which is dying, okay, which has no meaning right now. So accept what is dying. Then there is live life to the fullest, and that's very important, that you have to give your life, you have to live your life fullest, okay? Live your life to the fullest. So these are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Divine Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Twin Flame Oracle deck. Help me out to deliver what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading. Give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? Any other message for my Aquarius? Give me any other message if it is there. Okay. Is there any message? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Oh, it just fell out. Is there any message? Any other message for my Aquarius? Okay, bottom of the deck I am having, we will get through this. You are supported, together we make it. Beautiful message for you. Okay, you and your twin flame are saying this to each other, that we will get through this. Okay, you are supported, together we will make it. Beautiful message for you. Okay. The first message for you is learning and study. We are bringing informations to benefit you. Okay. Maybe Aquarius, you need to study, and yesterday also the books was included, books were there, books message were there in your life purpose. So you are doing some kind of study, you are learning something. Okay, that bring information is benefiting you. Okay. Then there is astrological transits. Get informed, cosmic energies are pushing or supporting you. And it is very important message for twin flames who are in twin flame journey, because astrological transits are affecting and supporting twin flame journey very well. As you all know that on this 21st December, I guess the golden age of Aquarius is going to start. So it is a change of an era, I can say. Then there is twin flame higher self. Remember me, eternal love. Beautiful message for you. Okay, twin flame higher self is saying that remember me, eternal love. Then there is think twice. Something is not to your highest good. Okay, there is something in which you need to think, Aquarius. There is something which is not for your highest good. Okay, so think twice. There is something around you which is not good for your highest good. Then there is soul lessons. Look for the learning experiences. Okay, there are soul lessons in which you are getting more empowered, more wisdom, okay, more strong. Look for the learning experience, Aquarius. Okay, whatever learning experiences you are learning right now, you are getting some kind of soul lessons. Then there is a take a break. Replenish your reserves to realign with positivity. Some of you Aquarius are working so hard, you need to take a break. Okay, take a break. Then there is new doors opening. Embrace change, opportunities showing up. Beautiful messages. New doors are opening up, Aquarius. Change is coming up for you and it is opening up. So these are the messages from twin flame journey. Okay, so thank you so much, twin flame journey oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages, what are the life purpose of you and your soulmate is having in this life journey. Let me see what are the life purposes. What are the life purpose? See, again the message has come, books. So books are important in your life purpose, Aquarius. Books will help you out in some manner. You connect to your life purpose through involvement with books. And that's right. You have to, books are playing an important role in your life purpose. Okay. So this was the message for you. Any other life purpose? Writing. Wow, author. Okay. Any other message? Any other? Beautiful life purposes are there here. Any other message? Okay. Some of you Aquarius can be a spiritual teacher. You heal with your classes, sessions, and seminars. So some of you Aquarius can be a spiritual teacher. That can be your life purpose. I'm telling you and your soulmate life purpose. Okay, then there is talk to your angels. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. Okay, that can be a life purpose for you, that you need to talk to your angels. Then there is heart desires. The angels are supporting, guiding, and protecting you as your dreams becomes a reality. Okay, the heart desires. Why my camera is not clear? Okay. Then there is animals. You understand animals and communicate with them intuitively. Trust your inner guidance as the animals are part of your inner work. Beautiful message, Aquarius. Your animals are important in your life work. Okay, life purpose. Some of you can read animals language. You tune up very well through animals. Okay, so animals are playing an important role in your life. 1 minute, the charging. Okay. Then there is support. Your life purpose fully supports you. Okay, the message is here. Your life purpose fully support you. Then there is option. Consider the career possibilities that are open to you. Okay. Then there is books, writing, and author. You heal, inspire, teach, and entertain with the words you write. You connect with to your life purpose through involvement books. Okay, so books can be important. Some of you can be write books, Aquarius. That can be your life purpose. Okay, and some of you can write books, and some of you can read books, Aquarius. Books are important in playing role in your life purpose. Okay, some of you can be an author, Aquarius. You have a book inside of you that wishes to express. Make the time to read it, to write it. Sorry, not read it. Make the time to write it. So some of you Aquarius can be an author. Okay. Then there is justice. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. Beautiful message, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is study. Reading, research, and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. So you have study is an important role, is an important area, Aquarius, who plays an important part in your life purpose. Then there is practice. Polish your skills by practicing regularly. Okay, practice is there. They are flowers. Working with flowers opens your heart and brings blessings to others through your life purpose. Aquarius, flowers can be an important role, life purpose in your life. Okay, working with flowers can be a life purpose in your life. Okay, in some of you. Okay, Aquarius. Then there is let go. Walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Important message for you. Then there is crystals. So your connection to crystals and gemstones is a channel for healing energy. Some of you can be knowing the knowledge of crystals. Okay, your life purpose can involve crystals that you love. You have a knowledge of crystals. You love doing crystals video, or crystals knowledge, or crystal study. So crystals can be an important role in some of you Aquarius. Crystals plays an important life purpose in your life. Okay. Then there is school. The answers that you are seeking involves going to school. So some of you Aquarius can go to school and have that answers. So that was the life purpose for you. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you so much for giving the life purpose. Let's see what are the messages from your soulmate. What are they thinking? What are they feeling towards you? What do they want to tell you? Okay. So the first message for you is you are smart and practical. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. You love me the way nobody else does. They want to tell you this, okay? Then they want to tell you that you are funny. You hold me tight. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. You are my soulmate. Your soulmate wants to tell you that they know that you are their soulmate. They want to tell you this beautiful message for you. You always wish for my success. They want to tell you that you always wish for my success, okay? Then there is you trust me. Then there is you know me better than anyone else. Then they want to tell you that you are wise and witty, okay? So these are the messages from your soulmate, what they think about you, okay? Let's add some charm to your reading and I will close it out. Okay, so you are having a key here, Aquarius. You have the solution, you have the key. Okay, the key is there. You have something which you can solve. You can solve anything because you have a key. Then there is a clove leaf, a big clove leaf, Aquarius. Yes, the good news, the good fortune, good luck is on your sign. Good fortune is coming your way. Then there are wings here. There is one silver wing and one is a golden wing. Angels are there who are supporting you, who are taking care of you. There is a golden feather, okay, a wing I can say, and there is a silver feather here. The wing I can say again, I'm saying wing. Okay, so there is a silver wing and there is a golden wing. There are two wings here, okay? There are two angels who are supporting you. One is the golden feather and one is from the silver feather. Okay, you do not have to worry at all. Then there is clove leaf in pair. Again, you and your divine counterpart both are having this clove leaf. Good news, good fortune. Not good news, good fortune, good luck is there with you. You do not have to worry at all. Oh my god, there is one small feather too here. Okay, there are three angels which are supporting you. Okay, there is a leaf here again. Then there is a flower, bloom like a flower, Aquarius, okay? Blossom like a flower, you are blooming like a flower, okay? Then there is a small leaf here. Then there is a petal in the leaves and the signs here. I'm having some kind of signs, the signs which you can be dealing with, okay? Then there is a star here. New hopes, new desires are coming your way, okay? I am having some kind of signs here which you can be dealing with, okay? The signs which I am right now having is Gemini. Your soulmate can be a Gemini, Aquarius, okay? They can be Sagittarius. Okay, I'm having Sagittarius. I don't know whether it's clear or not. Okay, this is Sagittarius. Then there is a Leo. Okay, a Leo is there. Then there is an Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, you can be dealing with an Aquarius, okay? Then there is a Scorpio. You can be dealing with a Scorpio. And then there is a Libra. You can be dealing with the Libra, okay? So these are the signs which you can be dealing with. So this was your soulmate love reading for December 2020, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, thank you so much for giving a thumbs up, for liking my channel, for supporting my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sending you lots of love, light to every single Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.